Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages and you are wondering how, in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step for that. So, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and first of all remove the WhatsApp application, hold the app for that, and once you hold it up, you will be finding a menu appearing on your screen, and you can look out for the uninstall option or delete app to remove it from your phone and confirm it up. Once the application is deleted, you can just head over to Play Store and open it up. Once you head over there, go to the search in the below, and then from there, go to the top, and there just search for WhatsApp. Once you find a WhatsApp, you just need to go ahead and install it. You can look out for the install option right beside it and go ahead and install the application. And once the installation is completed, you can just go ahead and open it up. Open up the WhatsApp app on your screen, and you can verify your phone number here like this. You can tap on agree and continue. When it asks you to welcome to WhatsApp, tap on it. And then once you do so, what you need to do is basically enter up your country code and then your phone number. After you type it in, you can tap next from the screen. After you complete of the verification, you will be prompted, or you can just head over and find this option on your screen and tap on the option called restore from backup, or you can select the option from transferring from old phone. So what you can do in order to see your deleted WhatsApp messages is tap on restore from backup, and once you select it up, tap on continue. And once you continue, it should start preparing your chats and restoring your chats. You may just wait for some seconds or a minute depending upon your backup size. And after you complete it up, you will be able to retrieve your messages from the most recent backup on your Google Drive or your iCloud. So you can just go ahead and do so and tap on next, and tap on next once again. And then from here, you can navigate to the specific chat where the message was deleted and scroll through the conversation to find or reply or quoted message that contains